Thought I'd do a little update video on the yard here. As you can see right now, we're getting a blizzard. It's Maine's first blizzard of the year. And, well, I'll show you around. Here's the real mower I just started up. It's running okay right now. Just running the gas dry. Got my brother's Ram here. It's been featured before. You can see the yard is covered with snow. Oh, there's a wind drift right there. Snow drift. Sorry for the bad view, and here's my snowblower. I'll be putting that to use soon. And this friggin' thing's all over. Buried cars. Got all the stuff put away. Snow shovels out. I don't know if you can see it, but my wood pile's over there. I'm trying to make paths over here so I can get through, but it ain't working very well. Made a metal pile over here the other day. I call this lawnmower compound. This is where my mowers are. Well, 3 of them at least. This one's the only running one here. It's the mulch one. And then fire pit. Got a customer lawnmower there. And 2 buried. This one's just got a deck on it. This one's got motor, but I tried to screw around with it, but it won't start, so. Well, I thought I'd give you an update. Property here, so. Oh, see you later.